Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your battery may already be connected to the grid, but you could still be leaving ancillary services revenue on the table. On a 30 megawatt plus solar and storage portfolio, small dispatch inefficiencies become board-level revenue leaks. And if you think this is just another software pitch, it is not. This is an operational audit process for asset managers protecting ROI. Ancillary services are the grid stability markets. Your battery gets paid to stabilize frequency. Your battery gets paid to provide reserve capacity. Your battery gets paid to respond to voltage events. Your battery gets paid to inject power within seconds. But here is the problem. Most teams focus only on energy arbitrage, buy low and sell high. Meanwhile, faster response revenue opportunities are quietly missed every day. Point 1. What the team sees: battery available and SCADA healthy. Point 2. What SCADA misses: slow response latency, incomplete dispatch readiness, and missed qualification windows. Point 3. What the AI agent surfaces: response time degradation, availability risk, and hidden revenue leakage before market penalties happen. That tiny timing gap compounds into lost revenue across the portfolio. We covered the visible symptom and the hidden mechanism. Now here is the decision that protects the real margin. AI does not replace your operators. It acts like a super technician, triaging faster and flagging response risks. It narrows days of dispatch review into minutes. That means your team spends less time searching logs and more time protecting grid revenue. On large portfolios, even a small improvement in dispatch readiness can recover thousands in monthly ancillary market revenue. What used to take days of manual review can now be narrowed to the right faults in minutes, with evidence your operators can act on today. In the Free Yield Leakage Scorecard, we break down response thresholds, escalation rules, and dispatch risk logic used in real portfolio audits. Because recovering ancillary revenue is important, but the next grid event is the one that can shut your dispatch window completely. Stop guessing your yield. Get a portfolio audit at ClearSpot AI. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.